2017 Ram 1500. Ram 1500 went against the Chevrolet Silverado, Ford F-150, and Toyota Tundra, which are all excellent trucks in their own right. The Ram took home the prize for its well-rounded strengths. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: stability control, anti-lock braking system, tow hitch, keyless entry, backup camera, traction control, Bluetooth, dual airbags, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, four-wheel drive, climate control, AM/FM stereo radio, center armrest, power windows. A vehicle like this doesn't come along every day. Come in and get it before someone else does.